In 1941, as a final dedication was being planned, Gutzon Borglum died, leaving his son Lincoln to close down the work. When he first arrived in Black Hills, Borglum was 57. Until his death 17 years later, Rushmore had been the focus of his life, his all but impossible dream. It is a monument no less to the men who, working together, transformed a lofty dream into a colossal reality, a work of art for the ages. A monument's dimensions shall be determined by the importance to civilization of the events commemorated, Borglum had said when he began. Let us place there, carved high, as close to heaven as we can, our leaders, their faces, to show posterity what manner of men they were. Then breathe a prayer that these records will endure until the wind and rain alone shall wear them away.
So it's quite a view out there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Hey, that rock looks like a face.
Oh yeah, if you look at it just right, it looks like a face. Two eyes and nose. You see the mouth? You don't see it?
Well, it's kind of hard to make out.
Wait a second.
It's kind of hard to make out with.
Looks like four faces.
And some cloud in the way.
No, it's crap.
Yeah, but you didn't say it. What's crap? It looks like crap?
Yeah.
Why? Because it's covered with clouds?
No, because it's not a period.
Why don't they just put it a little lower so we can see it? I am getting hungry. Where's the food around here? I would eat one of those gravel stones right now.
No, you're afraid of germs.
Both look like crap.
So there's a light show. Is there snacks around here? I'm hungry again. Yeah.
Yeah, I did that. So you're all.
No, I did that. Bryce, you don't like anybody doing anything to you, so stop doing it to your sister. Recording all this?
What? Oh, is it on? Oh, I guess it's on, isn't it? All right. I better take a picture of something important then. All right, this is what it looks like in the daytime.
Coffee fresh?
Isn't that cool? It's perfect. Oops. At least it wasn't a hand grenade. Oops. At least it wasn't a hand grenade. Always look at the bright side. All right, now, wait, what's up there again? Oh, I like the music.
Oh wait, we can walk up these steps. Let's walk up these steps.
Very patriotic. Very patriotic.
Why don't we ever change our song?
You want to change the song? It's just-
We've been using the same song since I don't know the 1700s or
Well,
whatever.
there you
we
go.
got here.
Yeah, like turn it to Star Wars or something,
Just do something.
or like the
different.
Rocky theme.
Yeah.
You know.
Like that. Something American.
Yeah.
Like,
Dun, 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 dun.
Maybe the
Or-
Invaders Zim
How
theme
about
song. or
"We Are the
something like
Champions" by Queen? Like that should have been like 20 years
that.
ago.
I say we should change it every year.
I say we should change it every.
Change the monument every year. Put new guys on the monument every year.
Just slightly carve into it.
Yeah.
Like,
More and more.
Blow them,
like 200 and then like
blow them up.
be like a little pile of like gravel.
That's it. New monuments every year. There's where the music's coming from. Thank you. Illinois, 21st state admitted to the Union, 1818. It's a very special place in my heart. Been there most of my life. I think all this gift shop and tasty stuff has been added later. Nice buildings though. And the United States, one of my favorite countries. I've been here most of my life too. I thought he was a little crooked.
Alright.
Yeah, I mean his picture, the frame.
reserve the
that is.
spot
I mean,
for-
Actually,
Could you
his
fix
is
that?
crooked.
No, his.
His is
Everybody-
right. His is right. His is crooked.
No, Bryce.
You think his is crooked?
His is the most crooked for sure.
No, you can tell.
Yeah, it is.
No, you can tell by this line right here. There you go.
Alright, now
This is the
he's good.
most crooked.
Obama
Let's tilt it even more.
No, Bryce. Have respect. The president could be here. Look at that pot roast. It looks good, doesn't it? What do you think, Kev? You want some? How about some cold cereal? Nah. All right. Dig in, everybody. Nice dessert. Mom said it's the best chili she ever had, and my meat is very tender.
Pot roast.
Pot roast. At least mine was.
Yes, you.
Arizona
This is for the movie. If you have to lie about your facial expression, do. Here we go. All right, Marissa, your turn.
She's like
Let's see here. Out of order, use one to the right. Okay, right. That's this way. All right, here we go. So we'll go over to the right. And there's Jake. Out of order, please use one to the left. I'm getting really confused. I know, I just read that sign said use the one to the right.
No.
This is so confusing. How's the drinks, kid? Delicious?
What is this?
Marissa, can I try the best chili Mom ever tasted?
Get a bowl.
It's right here. Thanks.
What?
Too much? Oh, here, you want a refund?
Yourself for eating too much. You have a fight.
What was that comment you made earlier on the phone?
Crap.
Marissa, go ahead and get your ice. Every time you get up, it burns off calories.
time to fart.
No.
I don't know.
Viewers at home. Viewers at home. Viewers at home, there is nothing wrong with your TV set. You can't see a damn thing. Anyway, just to oh no.
And he was known by his colleagues as His Excellency. He is none other than George Washington.
The food was awesome here, by the way.
Maybe you've heard or read his commanding officer was General Edward Braddock. Braddock was wounded and later died. Washington had his horse shot out from under him. Many of the officers on horseback were killed because the enemy looked to get them first, and so them to be our first president. And he served for 2 terms, from 1789 to 1797.
The United States of America. It's hard to imagine, but not long ago, this great land of ours was pure wilderness. A place where millions of bison roamed freely throughout the plains. and those who lived off the land revered it as sacred ground. Yet this country would face a dramatic change, quickly becoming the most advanced nation in the world, in technology, in peace, and in power. From its inception, the United States has shaped The year was 1923. The place, the Black Hills of South Dakota. State historian Doane Robinson proposed that these granite outcroppings could be the site of an enormous monument dedicated to the heroes of the West, such as Lewis and Clark and Chief Red Cloud. But commissioned sculptor Gutzon Borglum had a different concept in mind. Borglum was a passionately patriotic man and believed that a more fitting tribute should honor the American experience. A memorial that would represent our ideals, our dreams, and our accomplishments as a country. A memorial that would convey a spirit of patriotism. It took 14 years and nearly $1 million to complete the 4 60-foot faces. And even though the sculptor did not live to see the very final touches put into place, he was able to carry out his vision. 4 great Americans immortalized in stone, symbolizing the democratic society in which we live, the struggle for our independence, the fight for our freedom, and the sacrifices we have made since our country began more than 200 years ago. Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, there's a light show going on. It's hard to see. There's some lights shining on it right now, but as you can see. Sorry, viewers at home, just want to let you know the battery is dead. That's why you're not going to be getting much more of it tonight. But thank you for watching. A little cloudy. Hopefully we'll come back in the morning. I'm not sure what kind of light show you missed. God bless everybody. God bless Bryce, Marissa. All right, there she is. Beautiful light show. You can see it now. Thanks for watching the movie. Fog lifted the last second. Good night. You can see the rain coming down their heads like they've been sweating. Now you can see it perfectly. Lifted the last second. As everyone's... There it is. Not everybody has Mount Rushmore in the rain, but we do. Good night.